Do it again, Rue.
It's raining, it's pouring. Oh man, it's snowing. He went to bed, he bumped his head, and he didn't get up to morning.
Now we got the show tunes version. Do the other version you were singing.
It's raining, it's pouring. Oh man, it's snowing. He went to bed and he bumped his head, and he didn't get up to morning. Ooh. I am a... Who is he? I know what I was. I'm making him. He looks scary. I know.
Hi, Daddy.
Stop Plato's face. I don't know.
There's some.
It's raining.
Where'd you go?
Pouring. Oh, and it's snowing.
My dog, I feel
He
saying like
went to bed. It's raining, it's pouring down, and it's snowing. He went to bed with a bump on his head. And then sound like Daddy.
What?
That doesn't sound like Curtis. Doesn't sound right. Wait, what you were saying is, it's raining, it's pouring down, man, it's snowing. He went to bed just a bump on his head. That's not real. Ah! Daddy, lift me up in the sky.
No.
Daddy, lift me up in the sky. I'm in my...
No. We're cuddling.
You're supposed to.
Can you go get me some more blankets?
What?
For my feet? My feet are cold.
A blankie?
Yeah, I need a blankie.
Daddy.
You go get me a blankie.
Stop putting me down.
Put my... But I gotta stretch out to...
Looks like you're giving birth.
Oh, yeah. There it comes.
Daddy, just what you need.
But, honey...
I found the Kindle.
It's dead, honey.
No, baby.
We'll charge it. It should be dead.